Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. In this video, I will show you our new style switch panel. This is 2 key and 4 key and 6 key. We will look at how to wind and how to use this switch panel. Okay, let's look at this 3 kinds of the switch panel. The 2 button, 4 button and the 6 button. The 2 button and the 4 button is simple at the appearance. But this means 2 buttons. The light one is turn on and turn off by these 2 positions. And this is for light 2, and this is 2 places for controlling the lamp on and off, on and on off and on off. And this is 2 channel. And this is 4 button. 4 button. This is for K1, K2, K3, K4. And also you can see the 6 button. I have already connected the LAN for a demo. But how to distinguish between these 2 buttons? You can see the back of the panel. You can see it means print switch 2. This means 2 buttons. And you can see this is 4 button. You can see this switch 4 is print. This is 4 button. And at the back of the switch, you can use this green socket. When you wind, you can plug in this socket. We can see how to wind. This is the opposite. This is for K-COM, and K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6. And this is LED indicate. This is K-COM, and K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6. You can see when I remove this power voltage for LED, you can see this LED is off. When I on, LED is on. You can see the color. The light is changed. We can turn on K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6, and also can close. So it can turn on and turn off by every button. And we can use a name card to test. Use this name card. This click is very soft. We can test by this card like this. On, off, on, off. On, off, on, off. It's very soft. Okay, you can use this switch button to turn on, turn off. But if you want more switch, like use this switch and the third switch panel, or this one, and this one, and this one, controlling one lamp, you just connect all these buttons LAN together. All together with the K1 is okay. So it's very easy, no limit the number of the switch can be used. Many switch, just all use the one connect together to this. Then you can control one lamp in any other switch panels, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 panel, all is no problem. Okay, thanks for watching.